Hi friends, welcome to the channel Dinesh. Here we are discussing about corona related questions and answers. Corona related questions and answers will include current affairs or it will exclusively for AIMS NOSET examinations. Upcoming AIMS NOSET examination on 1st of September 2020. I have referred many online websites to make these questions. So you also go through that because corona related information is updating day by day. I have referred WHO, Wikipedia, CDC and UNICEF websites for making these questions. You can also go through this website and update your knowledge. So question starts here. So we can go to website.
Here we are discussing about COVID-19 related questions. This topic is from current affairs and it is exclusively for AIMS NOSET exams. The question: when was the first case of COVID-19 reported in India? When was the first case of COVID-19 reported in India? January 30, 2020, March 1st, 2020, December 31st, December 31st, 2019, February 10, 2020. Correct answer is January 30, 2020. The first case was reported in Kerala, Thrissur district. That is, one of the students came from Wuhan city. He had first confirmed COVID-19 case. So, first case reported in Kerala, Thrissur district. A student came from Wuhan city. Next question. Which countries are badly affected with more confirmed cases than India? Which countries are badly affected with more confirmed cases than India? USA and Russia, USA and Brazil, Italy and Brazil, Italy and New Zealand. Correct answer is USA and Brazil. The only two countries have more confirmed cases than India are USA and Brazil. Next question. When India has crossed 1 lakh COVID-19 confirmed case. When India has crossed 1 lakh COVID-19 confirmed cases. 24th March 2020, 26th April 2020, 1st June 2020, 19th May 2020. The correct answer is 19th May 2020. On 19th May 2020, India has crossed 1 lakh COVID-19 confirmed cases. On 19th May 2020, India has crossed 1 lakh confirmed cases of COVID-19. India has crossed 2 lakhs confirmed cases on 3rd June 2020. India has crossed 2 lakhs confirmed cases on 3rd June 2020. But the 10 lakhs, the confirmed cases crosses 10 lakhs on 17th July 2020. So 1 lakh case 19th May 2020, 2 lakh case 3rd June 2020, 10 lakh cases on 17th July 2020. Next question. How many days of lockdown announced by Prime Minister of India on the first phase starting from 24th March 2020? How many days of lockdown announced by Prime Minister of India on the first phase starting from 24th March 2020? 7 days, 60 days, 21 days, 100 days. Correct answer is 21 days. On the first phase of lockdown, the Prime Minister of India announced 21 days of lockdown. That is started from 24th March 2020 to 30th April 2020. 13th April 2020. The second phase started on 14th April 2020 to 3rd May 2020. The second phase started from 14th April 2020 to 3rd May 2020, and third phase started from 4th May 2020 to 17th May 2020. Third phase started from 4th May 2020 to 17th May 2020, and the fourth phase started from 18th May 2020 to 31st May 2020. So that is a 4 phases of lockdown period, and the unlock process started from 1st June 2020. The phase-wise unlock process started from 1st June. Next question. Which of the following test is considered as a gold standard test for diagnosing COVID-19? Which of the following test is considered as a gold standard test for diagnosing COVID-19? Real-time RT-PCR, rapid antigen test, rapid antibody test, ELISA. Correct answer is real-time RT-PCR. Real-time means that during the process of RT-PCR, we can get the result. Real time means during the process we can get the result. That is why it is called real time RT-PCR. Earlier, it was the result was we can get at the end of the RT-PCR process. Earlier, the result was got at the end of the RT-PCR process, but now it is become real time RT-PCR because we can get the result during the process. Next question. SARS novel coronavirus belongs to which of the following family? SARS novel coronavirus belongs to which of the following family? Spirochetes, DNA virus, RNA virus, mycosites. Correct answer is RNA virus. SARS novel coronavirus is a RNA virus. It is a large virus. SARS novel coronavirus is a large virus. It belongs to RNA virus group. Next question. Which of the following antibodies developed first against during COVID-19 and helps to identify recent exposure? Which of the following antibodies develops first against during COVID-19 and helps to identify recent exposure? IgA, IgM, IgD, IgG. Correct answer is IgM. IgM antibodies develops immediately after the exposure with the COVID-19. So it will take around 3 to 4 days to develop. Then 7th day or 7th to 14th day, IgG starts to develop. First antibody is IgM after the exposure. Next question. A person who is more likely to infect a large number of people compared with a typical infected person is known as. A person who is more likely to infect a large number of people compared with a typical infected person is known as super spreader, convalescent carrier, asymptomatic carrier, COVID-19 carrier. Correct answer is super spreader. Normally, it is represented by R0 value. R0 value means R0 2.5 is the normal value of COVID-19 transmission rate. Because a COVID-19 person can transmit around 2 to 3 people during the infectivity period. So the R0 value is average of 2 to 3, that is 2.5. So in super spreader, it may be 5 or 10 or 100 people. That is according to the transmission rate. So normal R naught value in India, that is 2.5. In super spreader, it is more than 2.5. That is more than the normal value. R naught value represents basic reproduction number. R naught value is represent basic reproduction number of novel coronavirus represented by R naught. So in India, normal R naught value is 2.5. Next question. What is the official name of virus causing COVID-19? What is the official name of virus causing COVID-19? Novel coronavirus, SARS coronavirus 2, coronavirus, COVID-19 virus. The correct answer is SARS coronavirus 2. SARS coronavirus 2 is the official name of the virus causing COVID-19. Viruses are named by. Viruses are named by International Committee on Taxonomy of Virus, WHO, CDC, UNICEF. Viruses are named by International Committee on Taxonomy of Virus, WHO, CDC, UNICEF. Correct answer is International Committee on Taxonomy of Viruses. This is the official authority to name the virus. ICTV announced severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 as the name of the new virus on 11th February 2020. ICTV announced severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 or SARS coronavirus 2 as the name of the new virus on 11th February 2020. Now it is become official name of the virus causing COVID-19. Next question. Past infection with novel coronavirus can be detected by RT-PCR test. Past infection with novel coronavirus can be detected by RT-PCR test. True, false, none of these. Correct answer is false. Past infection we cannot diagnose with the RT-PCR test. Only recent infection we can diagnose with the RT-PCR test. Past infection we cannot diagnose with the RT-PCR. To identify the past infection, we need to do rapid antibody test. Next question. Which of the following country announced the discovery of the first COVID-19 vaccine? Which of the following country announced the discovery of first COVID-19 vaccine? India, USA, Russia, China. Correct answer, Russia. Next question. Active COVID-19 will transmit through breast milk. Active COVID-19 will transmit through breast milk. True, false, or not yet detected. Correct answer is not yet detected. Active COVID-19 will transmit through breast milk is not yet detected. The positive mother can give breast milk to the child because there is no transmission detected by any researchers. So the infected mother can give breast milk to the child. Next question. In which state of India reported the first death due to COVID-19? In which state of India reported the first death due to COVID-19? Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Delhi. The correct answer is Karnataka. A person with a travel history of Saudi Arabia have, uh, have died due to COVID-19 infection at Karnataka state. So questions ends here. Thank you for watching this video, and please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Winners. Best wishes.